Welcome back to the channel, everybody, and in this video I'm going to be showing off my yacht in BloxBurg. I've had this yacht for a while now, but I haven't shown it off because I had so much ideas to do on this channel. So let's just get into it. So we're going up the stairs, pretty fancy stairs. Then we're gonna be going up the ladder soon. But then there's the pool with a weird texture. Don't ask why. Just sit at the pool, and this isn't really a pool, but we're about to go inside the yacht. So this is the living room. It's pretty spacious for a yacht. Just gonna sit here, turn on the TV, but I can't reach the TV from the couch. Yeah, okay, that gets annoying. So, no, not playing that. So we got the kitchen. We got the sink, microwave, blender, toaster, table. Okay, I feel like this part doesn't have too much room. I don't know why. Then we got a light. I don't know why I said that. We got some cabinets, stove, fridge. Don't mind me. Excuse me. There's nothing in my cabinet. Alrighty then. Okay, so this is the bedroom. And the master bedroom. So this is the bedroom that's mine. It's a pretty big bedroom for a yacht. Let me just make this bed. Making the bed, yeah. That's perfect. Okay. So, well oh yes, we got a painting. Okay then. I don't like that one. Okay, I'll just use that one. Okay. There we go. Now the moment you've all been waiting for. What's up that ladder? Kind of blend. Actually, I'm not going up that ladder yet. I'm going to show you guys the front of the ship. Yeah, there's like nothing at the front of the ship, but at least we can reenact the Titanic scene. Okay, that's enough. Let's go up to the captain's deck. Up the ladder. Can I get up this? Oh gosh. This ladder is my worst enemy. Oh, I made it. Okay, there we go. There's nothing over here. There's nothing. Okay, we got our computer/TVs. Then if we just go right here and we go like this, we got it. Go like this, we go like yes, we got a ship horn. Okay, I don't want to play any music. Okay, good. It's not playing Drop the Bass. Let's just turn off all the lights. Yeah. Smart idea, Carter. I think that's all to this ship. Oh, ouch. I know this is a short one, but if you guys enjoyed the video, subscribe, like, and comment that you did so. But see you in the next one. Bye!